Hey everybody, my name is Chris. Welcome to Casual Fragrance. Today's video, we're going to talk about a new fragrance announced at Dolce Gabbana. It's called Dolce Gabbana K. I'm going to give you my first impression on it and unbox it and see if you guys like it. If you like this type of content, please consider clicking that red subscribe button at the bottom of the screen to show your support. I appreciate that a lot. What's your sentiment, ladies and gentlemen? Please leave a comment down below. So I picked it up at Sephora. I had a gift card I got for my birthday a couple months ago, and my brother's wife, Tanya, shout out to Tanya for giving me a gift card for Sephora. I go there all the time, so I saved a little bit of money for it. I got the small bottle, so not too bad. 1.6 ounce, looking at about $72. I had a gift card, so I got it for cheaper. You want the bigger size, 100 ml, looking at about $94. Plus tax, about $100. And if you want the smaller size, looking at about 72 plus tax, looking at about $78. So here's the box it comes in. Dolce Gabbana K. And the notes in this fragrance, we have notes of citrus, we have berry sage, we have sparkling blood orange, we have juniper berries, we have lavender, we have cedar wood, vetiver, and patchouli. Put this to the side right here. Let's open this up. Dolce Gabbana K. Top has Dolce Gabbana on it. You guys can see that. Bottom has the batch information. So let's open this up. Nothing on the sides. Okay. So, Dolce Gabbana K. Bottom has the batch information. Alright, nothing up top. Opens up like this. Pretty cool. So the bottle's really nice with the king. Pretty cool bottle presentation. Pretty cool. Let me get this closer for you guys to see it. Pretty cool bottle. So, spray a little bit on the test strip I have here. See how it is. Cap's pretty cool cap. Little king cap. It's plastic, but it's cool. So let's check out the atomizer. Okay, shoots out a lot. Okay, right off the bat, I get the berry citrus orange fragrance. So it's a very fresh and clean citrus fragrance from the opening. So far, not too bad. I've tried this out several times at Macy's. And, I spray it on skin, and it's okay. I will definitely have a full review coming soon, but so far from this fragrance here, it's a fresh and clean fragrance. If you're into fresh and clean fragrances, you are definitely going to enjoy this fragrance. Is it something special? Right now, I don't feel it's special, but it's something that very safe and a clean fragrance to wear. Whether to work, going out on a date, it could be your signature scent all year round if you want. It is a nice presentation on the bottle too. I'm gonna wear it for about a good 5 days, and I'll come back with a full review in about 5 days, let you know how projection is, how the cotton factor is, let you know is it worth you picking up or getting a sample, stuff like that. If you heard this fragrance, Dolce Gabbana K, please let me know down below in the description. So far, I do like it. I did get it on sale, so it's kind of better since I got it on sale instead of paying full price. If you've heard of Dolce Gabbana K, ladies and gentlemen, please leave a comment down below. If you like fragrance reviews, you like unboxing, and free giveaways, why not click that red subscribe button and show your support? I appreciate that. Until my next fragrance video, bye.